Nichols running in the shit. One more? Come here. Here you go. Go get it.
Bella's gonna take it.
He's like, no, she can't take my treat.
Still there.
That's exactly it.
And he flopped over like, this sucks. She's gonna take my treat.
Yes, tackle it. Get it. Get it. It's right there.
To get the treat yet.
Yeah.
Got it.
Are you done, Rico?
It's like, I give up.
Want another treat?
Oh.
Yeah, might as well. Maybe he won't mind being in the harness as much.
Yeah.
Where should I throw it so you get on camera most? Right over there.
Damn it. It's gonna like roll.
I know, right? It's right here, Rico.
Looking at it, he's like, ah.
It's not that far. You can do it. If you can get used to the harness, you can go outside and play with the birdies. See? You like outside. Right here.
Lizzie. Good girl.
Oh, I didn't throw it any closer, did I? It's right there. See? That's not that bad. Is that enough for today?